Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. Once again, welcome to my this channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss that how we can recover the deleted photos, a long time deleted photos before 1 year or many years or many months. So how we can recover? First of all, you have to install this app which are you are seeing on my screen, that deleted photo recovery. So you have to click on open. I will install because I don't want to waste your time. So you have to click on recovery, restore, then you have to click allow. If you want to review your restore photos, so you have to click on here, and you want to restore, so you have to go here, then you have to start your recovering photos. Okay, by this you can recover your photos and you can see by this. Okay, and if you want to recover or restore your videos, so you have to install this app. Okay, this is one another app. So by this you can recover your photos. This is very simple to use, so do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.